it's on, it's on. I don't like dogs. Make sure it's last time I was working on this bug. Right? I'm trying to remember what I was doing. I disabled this thing right here. This is the area that they're going to be able to cut to. Let me go to the bug script. Open, please. You just made me lose like all my aura. I need the raycast to ignore colliders, maybe the enemy, but for some reason, I'm gonna search it up. What's the difference between serialized field versus public? Yeah. Serialized field makes a public deposit. Serialized field only allows it to be used by an inspector, but public allows it to be accessed by other scripts. That makes sense, that makes sense. I'm gonna start picking. I remember, we're checking if they have line of sight. If they have line of sight, they can just move towards you. But if they don't have line of sight, they move towards where they last had line of sight. I think I'm gonna try rewriting this code. Only player lane. If T is not equal to null. Okay, this music is too loud, bro. It sucks that I can't like listen to Yeet because Yeet is the greatest artist of all time. It sucks that I can't even play him because that's copyright, you know what I'm saying? Yeet, I need to start listening to some albums. Funny thing is, I listen to Yeet all the time, but I don't know a single one of his albums. Like, I don't know, like, the name of, like, albums and stuff, you know? Like, I know, like, there's one, like, Life, but that's all I know. Sad. I'm not really... I can't call myself a fan if I don't even know his albums. I can name, like, songs, though. I got, like, oh my goodness, I'm forgetting all those songs. Come Again. Money Talk. Oh my goodness, Nah, I'm not even a fan. I'm not a fan, bruh. What am I doing? I'm actually fake. Serialized field, but their mask. Ignore later. I'm gonna try this one more time, see if it works. I keep pressing the Shift S, that's starting to piss me off. I need to calm down. Calm down. Breathing exercises. My therapist says I should do breathing exercises because the last time I didn't do it, I beat the absolute crap out of every. Nah, I'm just kidding. If I try to fight anybody, like, I'd be cooked. I'm gonna do the debug dialog. let's just see how this works, right? It feels weird streaming back to 0 viewers after previously having like 1 viewer. It was honestly nice talking to them. Like they were both chill. They were both cool. But you know, we gotta keep on growing. Bug. Okay, it's only checking itself again. Little false. But I'm gonna comment this. This sounds like have y'all ever played Borderlands 3? You know, like the main ship, the hub? Like it feels like this music sounds like that. Like the hub ship from Borderlands 3. I had like a lot of fun playing Borderlands 3 actually. I don't know what's going on though. Wait. Like the guns in Borderlands 3 were all kind of goofy, but I think the story was a little I don't know, basic. But I guess like you don't really play Borderlands for the story though. You kind of just play it for the looting and shooting. And I still don't know why ignore layer doesn't work. Like if y'all can tell me why why it's not working, it should be ignoring itself, like its own collider, but it's not. Bro, what is going on? Bruh. I think I need to fix the check thing. Like, it starts moving towards... Bruh. Oh, shoot! Yo, where was he going? I need to fix check. I need to make sure that that the last position isn't null. I don't know why ignore layer isn't. I'm trying to think.
This is really boggling my brain, guys.
I know that just pissed off so many people. Okay. So the layer mask won't work. That's annoying. I think I'm gonna try to rewrite everything. Raycast, current position. So it automatically goes through itself. The layer doesn't work. I don't know why. And let me check. Let me make sure the bug has that. Okay, it does. And I don't know why it keeps hitting itself. It's so weird. Did I make a new layer? No. Let me check if anything else is on the player layer. The computer's good. Ha 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 ha. So we get the collider. And it checks if anything is in the circle. If, like, wait a minute. Does the trigger count? Does overlap circle detect trigger colliders? Yeah, I can detect trigger colliders. Wait, let me see. Let me just check. Debug.log. That was horrible spelling. Or, like, I forgot what the thing is. When you use uppercase versus lowercase, I forgot. It doesn't matter. Yeah, name. Or maybe I should do GameObject.name. Also, I might have to make the circle like smaller in height. Wait, what? What? What the? Wait, bug? Why is it getting the bug as well? Huh? Wait, is the bug on the player layer or something? Enemy. Why is that? Why is that? What? The layer, something is going on with the layer mask. Let's try it one more time. Why? Is Unity broken? Is Unity broken, like, genuinely? Could I report this? Like, if this is a bug or not? I think they were right, bro. Godot is better than Unity. It's not even a hot take at this point. Wait. Sorry, I know I should make this. I should have made this kinematic, but this is. Does this affect like? See, like, why? Why does that break? Like, why does this break when I use... Let me find it. Continuous, start awake. Should kinematic, and kinematic static collisions be allowed? These things don't even have... Why? Why does kinematic just break everything? What is this? This better not be copyright or I'm cooked. I don't know what is your problem, buddy. Please. What is the problem? Why does the layer mask not work? I think I might throw this entire PC. I might... Okay. You have to keep working. Can't let this get us down. Can't let this get us down, guys. Hold up, I'm gonna make it... player. Oh shoot, wait, that might... So we might not have to do that. I might have just forgotten to write that thing. I was crashing out for no reason. No, I'm sorry guys. I apologize. So it's just light size on the player layer. So if C is not equal to null, player is equal to C. Okay. Let me try this one more time. I want to see, like, I'm sorry if this makes me insane. You know, doing the same thing over and over again makes you insane. But I just want to make sure. Bro, I can't wait to start working on the art, bro. When I add art to this game, it's gonna look way better. Like... Still hitting bug. Yo, he's running away. Yo, stop. Yo, why is he so fast? Yo, you gotta chill. Why am I having fun like bouncing this thing around? Pause. 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 Yo, chill. Yo, stop! But why is it still detecting the bug on the ignore layer? I'm reading one of the Unity forums. I don't know, like, how these solutions work. Any colliders outside the ground layer have to be excluded. Because of that, the only possible way to reach the debug statement... I'm be honest, I'm reading it. But you know when you're, like, reading a book? Like, you're kind of just, like, saying... Like, you're looking at the words, but you're not really reading it? That's kind of what's going on for me right now. My brain is, like... I just ran. So my brain is on a lower level right now. Maybe that's why I'm so stupid right now. I'm not at my highest efficiency. I might just turn off the lo-fi music, to be honest. Yeah, I might just be honest, I just might mute this for now. Yeah, then I might just start listening to Yeet, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna do that. And the first thing that comes up was an ad, not music. Are you kidding me? Wait, can y'all see that? Sorry, is that getting me in trouble? What y'all know about Atlanta Lock? Like, Honestly, Isagi doesn't even have that much drip in Atlanta log, but everybody else got drip. But Kaiser looked like a crackhead. Gidu got some crazy drip, bro. My dog's with me. You know I let him loose. Tell the cops lies, cause I can't tell the truth. It's Louis Simples. Some guy on Louis Pimples. Loose. Sorry. The song was just going too hard. Hold on, let me search up the song. I'm just letting y'all know I am not gang affiliated, alright? Like, I am not gang affiliated. I'm just singing a song, bro. I don't even like guns like that, bro. Hey, 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 hey. In the spot, and I came with the fellas. Ray Mac got hit in the back of his melon. And then fought through a bullet. I bet he catch like Beckham. I told Will we hop at the V and send him a message. Hey, she got the whip. I'll begin the way. The Mazda, Glock say day. Where were you going, Lil? You cannot escape. It's in like CP the brick. Wait. Wait, that's weird. Why is it sometimes detecting the player? It's fine though. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. It's still. Let me check. Um. Hey, Mac. Yeah. Watch you blowing your friend. Hey. Oh. Let's go. Filter to detect colliders only on certain layers. Well, why is it able to detect it when the layer mask is only. Hmm, hmm, uh, hey. Hey. Um. I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. I have to turn on some breakcore real quick. I'm reading it. So there's origin, where you want the array to originate, the direction, the distance, layer mask. The layer mask isn't working. Yeah, I don't know why. The contact filter. Raycast 2D to the Physics 2D to Raycast. Public static in Raycast. What? That's array against color. Depends the number of results placed in the results array. Static in. What is. Hmm. I'm reading this and I am so unbelievably confused. Like, what? One of y'all gonna have to explain that to me. Wait. Can I do like debug.log like um log the script to save the string or something? Is there a way I can like see what layers are actually being seen? Hmm. I don't know how to solve this. Let me search. Checks with on. Okay, there's this one that says they're passing layer max, but they're passing the max. Let's use named arguments with this method. Okay, it might be. Is there like a way to remove max distance, or what is my radius? What is the radius of the bug? Like, what's the site? Let's just say site. And I just typed that out. I messed that up. Okay, so you do have to pass in max distance. That's annoying as hell. Can I do like mathf.inf? Wait. F dot infinity unity. Okay. But if I do that, is that gonna cause like an error? Or because it's infinite, right? Infinity. What is negative infinity? Like, is like, okay, that might sound like a stupid question, but like, how does it work in Unity? Let's see if this works. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Let's see if this works. By the gods of Unity, I bestow upon you working code. Oh shoot, wait, uh it's only gonna work on the bug, right? Okay. But if I change to everything and then I remove the bug. Okay, I'm low-key stupid. Like all the solutions were really simple. Yeah, why? What's wrong? Why are these errors appearing? Let me so 27 and it's calling it at 27, but the error is at 38. The game object sometimes is not there. It's okay. I don't think the error will really affect anything. So I think we can use this now actually. I don't have to replace all my code. Let's go. That's a W. That's our first W. Or second after all the errors that happened on the computer thing. If eyeline.collider okay. So if it is the player tag. Oh. So then line of sight is equal to true. That means the first object it's hitting is the player. If it's not, that means it doesn't have line of sight. Okay. Wait, what happened to all those errors that were happening earlier? Okay, now it's gone. Okay, now it's just all true. Okay. What if I think I'm gonna copy one of these walls or a vertical wall. Let's do that. Let's see. They're true. Why is it saying false? False. True. False. True. False. True. That's weird. I don't know what was going on earlier. Okay. So now we know it works. You know they actually taught me in class to use debug.log to like help you. Honestly, I honestly thought of the idea of using that before, like without even needing to be taught. So I just gotta say, coding classes or like at least the ones in school are kind of useless. So if you have line of sight, move towards target. Um so it does all this, or you have line of sight, then I could do state check after this. Bro, wait, where's Azali? I should listen to Azali right now, I'm not gonna lie. His music always hidden. He made a song out of literal air. Like, you can't make this up. Like, this man is not or woman, but you can't make this up. Making a song out of air is crazy. Okay, state check. His line of sight. I think we're just gonna call this move. Like, they're moving. Like, okay, that should be obvious. But if they have line of sight, I think I'm gonna remove this check for now. It's just confusing me. Where's check? So if they don't have line of sight, okay, they need to go to the. So if they don't have line of sight and they have checked, I don't think we need this. We needed like a switch state. Yeah, we should make a string called state. String state. And the default state should be what? Roaming. IE numerator. Radar. Switch state. I'm gonna make, yeah, change state. This, so I'm making it an IE numerator so that you would return new. Wait for a second. Wait, one. So when they want to change state, it's gonna stand idle for a second, and then it's gonna um it's gonna wait for a second, it's gonna stand still, and then it's gonna start. state is equal to B. Okay, maybe just normally like that. I need an animator. So like it's gonna do an animator change, but I don't have an animation yet. I wanted to make it so like if it gets anywhere in like the general vicinity of the player, like the last position. Actually, you don't need. Oh, this should be false. Why did I not see that? But if you don't see the player, it should just move towards the last position anyway, right? Then line of sight doesn't really matter. Then you don't need line of sight. You move towards the last position anyway. But if the if the collider is not null. Actually, I should probably change it to rather than idle or I mean player, it should be human. Because like there are gonna be other humans and it'll chase them as well. They're gonna also have their own like light detection thing. It's gonna also detect so human. And rather than doing player, I'm gonna do target. Target that transformed that position. Change state. Roaming. Bruh. Wait, what? Wait, there's a player tag within human. So all the other ones were just the default tags, right? Is this so calming? Just listening to relaxing music. Of course, y'all can't hear it, but I'm just listening to relaxing music, and I just get to code without having to worry about entertaining my viewers. But I do want to get more viewers over time, though, and I need to get better. It kind of sucks that I'm back to 0, but I'm glad for those guys. I'm gonna remember them because they're my day ones. I'm gonna remember them for the rest of my career. Of course, I'm talking about my only 2 viewers. Coward, that's his name. Coward Smiley Face, and then I forgot how to say the other guy's name, but he has like a hexagonal like profile picture. I'm gonna find him. I'm just try to see what his name is. Stalking him. I'm gonna scour the internet for his Instagram profiles and stuff. Where's the other guy? Yeah, I can only see my last 2 subscribers. Or I mean like I don't know why I can't see the other guy. Where's his name? Wait, what? I submitted a video recently and it did have comments. But Yeah, this guy commented on my video. Oh, okay. There was a comment. Okay, this BYT-3 byte. Okay, yeah, I think I'm just gonna call him byte. Like kilobyte. Just byte. Actually, I don't even need this. This whole function is useless. Oh wait, I should do if state is equal to, or I could just do a switch state. I think I'd rather do that because I might make more states later. Switch state state case what roaming break. Then I have case chase, or I think I'm just gonna do chase and roam. What if you don't want it to break? You just, like, I know it goes on forever, but like what situations would you need to let it keep going? Boom, boom, boom. Hear me? With the Rolio. It was our getaway car jack portfolio. Yeah, I heard we had some sneak dissers. If you feeling hot, the air got a heat. I could just make that a float and I wouldn't have to write it all out. Yeah, that's probably easier. Or int. Int is equal to 0. Yeah, for more efficiency. Change state to 0. And then, so if the target is not equal to null, let me see. Actually, yeah, I will make check. Go to false. So if they have, so check is equal to false. I'm trying to make my code as efficient as possible. And to do that, I have to ruin my posture by sitting like this. I don't know if any of y'all like to sit crisscross applesauce in a chair rather than just sitting normally, but I'm weird like that. Then check is equal to false. And if they see the player, but if they don't see the player, else if. But it needs to make sure that there's still like but I'm trying to think. The break core was too loud. But even if they're not in sight of the player, but the what is it called? Is still moving, or the last position exists. If check, if not check, else if not check. So even if this is null, but if it hasn't checked, then it still goes. But then else if check is true, and the player what? 'Cause, 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 Or no. I might need line of sight then. Because like if they don't have line of sight. This is annoying. I keep deleting all the things that I need. Line of sight. Go to false. Otherwise, is it go to true? Else, otherwise, is it go to false? If check. Else, if so, if you haven't checked. Azali is hitting like crazy. Battle Under a Broken Sky never misses. I'm telling y'all, listen to Azali, bro. I don't know if I should get him on this game because like his music would is really good, but I don't know if it would work in this setting. But it would be cool to work with him or her or them. But it would be really cool to work with Azali if that's how you say their name. So if you have checked and no line of sight, I'm kind of just rewriting everything I wrote before. Funny, isn't it? Um, else if checked. Check is what's to equal to last pause. And then if they have checked, and they don't have line of sight, then change state. Um change state to 0. Oh, but if they do see the player, they can stop coroutine change state and then immediately change the state. Coroutine. I'm thinking of good ideas. If island not collided. So if they do see the player, stop coroutine change state. Wait. To prevent when stopping coroutine. A coroutine. Typically, you need to provide an argument to specify which coroutine. Um, Let me just make a reference to it is core. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it that. Start coroutine. Change state. Latest core is equal to start coroutine. Oh! Okay, so then that I don't have to pass into a parameter. Okay, that's nice. And then or state is equal to 0. Yeah. No, it should be 1, right? Which 1 is the one where they're chasing, 0 is they're roaming. Then this should be 1. I'm trying to think. Let's see if this even works. A routine is null. I should probably make that equal to null. Bro, wait, what? I was just confused on what song was playing, and then I look over and it literally says random nonsense with a slightly better piano. What is. Wait, can I just all put this on one line? I just look high as hell right now, bro. Okay. I'm glad I'm making progress. Just letting y'all know if y'all watching the VOD or if you hopping in the stream like right now. Oh, shoot. And this is the same thing that was happening earlier. I don't know why it does that weird spazzing out. It's supposed to go towards the last position. But the latest position is supposed to change. Like, supposed to follow the player. Let me see. Bug.log. Let's pause. These guys are he's supposed to move towards the last position. Oh wait. RB dot linear velocity to 0. Oh, vector 2.0. So, from my knowledge, he's supposed to go to the last position, but the last position is is following the player. Why is the last position not changing? I need to check if he has line of sight. So he does have line of sight. Check. And I just misspelled that, but okay. I pressed Shift S instead of Control S, bruh. Did I play Ultra Kill? Ultra Kill might be a sick game to play. How was it never able to reach the position? Get to like is equal to transform adoption dot puts in bounds. The center should be last pause. Check go to area that contains and how large should it be? 1? If I do like vector 3.1, surely this works. Why is it not? Put a new vector 3. 4, 4. That should be large enough. I don't know why. It should work. Bro, what is. Oh, shoot. Honkai Star Rail just finished downloading. Low key waiting for the new update. Bro, I haven't even watched Fate, but I know that like Saber is apparently like multiversal or something. I don't know. She beats Goku apparently. I haven't watched Fate, but the Excalibur, that shit was so tough. But Fanon has better animations. It's not even fair. Let's be real. It's not even fair. Um, if area dot contains transformed, yeah, I have no idea. Why is there an error or like something? I have no idea what's going on. Like, why is there introduce local? Wrap every argument? No. Huh. Hot take: we need more public transportation. Like, we shouldn't be like understand that some people want to be able to drive their own cars and stuff, but like we need more public transportation, like new urbanism. I think that's what it's called. I took AP Human Geo. The test was super easy, by the way, but having like closer areas, kind of like New York, London, we need that in order to like save the planet, but also people wouldn't have to buy their own cars, you know? Because I want to be able to go around without having to take a car. That'd be nice, you know. But that's just a take of mine. Hold up, wait! I just realized I got log. Let me just do this. Oh shoot! Wait, this is too high. This should be if island.collider is not equal to null, or it should probably be around like right here, right? Um. So let me just review the code before I do anything. So if it hasn't checked and it doesn't have line of sight, it goes towards the latest position, right? But then, so if inline.collider, this means it doesn't have line of sight. So if it is the player, no, I'm just gonna make this outside. Minus sign is equal to LOS is equal to yeah. But then if it, I might move this like right here. Huh. Okay, this trash can. Like, I used to put I have this trash can under my desk, right? And I don't know if this is weird or not, but sometimes I like to push up my foot against things, so I kind of push this trash can. But for some reason, recently, it's been disturbing me. But for some reason, recently, when I do that, when I when I push up against the trash can with my foot, it feels off. I don't know. I don't know why. Okay. So if it hasn't checked, let's see. Like right here, is that good? And all this goes up. So if no, this should be inside even farther. This should be like right here. Yeah. I think that'll work. That will work. Right? I've been seeing a lot of these like remixes or like anime quotes with this song called "Nope, Too Late, I Already Died." Like the guy actually died, like the artist who made that. What happened with him? Like I heard he like died of a drug overdose, but I haven't heard of him until like the song started getting popular. What was going on with him? Debug.log, air.con. Where was the check? Why is it going to that one position? So I don't know. Let's see if I put him behind this wall. What is going on? So, hmm. Last pause. I don't know what this guy is doing. Man, this bug is tweaking out. I think I might have fed him too many drugs. That's why he's so green. He's radioactive. He's about to blow. Okay. So I need to find. What is it called? Transform dot. Wait, I forgot. What was I doing? Eyeline dot collider dot game object dot name. Okay. Wait, if it doesn't check state initially. Wait, if it. What is going on? So, what is going on? Bro, I'm getting emotional listening to this song. Nope, too late, I already died, bruh. Okay, so none of my code is working now. What's a null? So if C is equal to null, then it is going to be true. Please, why is this broken? Why? Why? Huh? What could have changed? It's even affecting this. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Wait, let me see if this changes anything, because somehow just these lines of code over here managed to break everything. Okay. The bugs check is assigned, but it's never. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna change the names of human layer. Okay, maybe I didn't change the layers. Oh, why is light size under? Uh, let's see. Are we half baked, guys? Are we lukewarm? Guys, we're lukewarm. Oh, wait, hold up. Bug. It should probably, like, you don't want it to get blocked by interactables. Not UI, not interactables. It should be able to hit walls, but... Oh, wait. I'm gonna make a wall layer. Just walls. It's only able to hit walls and the player. So, yeah, nothing. So, wall and human, those two. Okay, please. I am begging! Why is it saying that it's null? Why is there nothing appearing? Okay, I'm acting the same. I'm not adding any new jokes. I realize now that I'm very unfunny. I apologize. I will try to make more jokes, I guess. Okay, I'm just lying at this point. I'm talking to nobody, bruh. Am I schizophrenic? Am I ass looking like Bachira? I'm literally listening to like make a like his speech right now. Okay. Human layer. Right size. Bug. Find it. The light size might just be the shadow under the thing when you're walking. And then like the radius of your light size that they can see you. Okay. Can you see me? Oh! 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 It's working. He can move. Look. Oh! Okay, now let's try this. Hot hot take. I think like English voice actors are good. I just think they don't fit, you know? It's like Goku's voice actor in Japanese, like she's good at screaming, like she's good at Goku, but that doesn't mean she fits for Goku. Huh. Wait. No, I don't need this. Why does the bounds not work? Bug.log. Check. And then I'm gonna copy. I think I'm gonna do the same thing for OS. OS. So I'm gonna check if the conditions are right. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, is that offensive? Because I saw like in the comments of some videos that like they got offended because they think that they're making fun of the guy who died. But like when all in reality, they just made a remix of his song. So he doesn't have LOS is true. Okay, I gotta use the restroom. I'm not gonna lie. I'll see you on a bit. Wait. Sorry, I don't have any music. Mm-hmm. I am coming. Back. Don't worry, I wasn't gone for that long.
Did you miss me?
Shut the. I apologize. My twin brother came in and he started making annoying ass jokes. Alright, I'm back. So I don't know why bounds doesn't work. Um bounds. I'm searching up online like how bounds work. Bounds is used by colliders, mesh bounds, and rendered. New vector. Is Nagi coming back or is it Igaguri? Everybody would say Kira, but we ain't see Kira. We saw Igaguri and Nagi. Like the Igaguri fit was so tough though. Hold up. Now, I don't know if I'm allowed to show Block Leak 309. I don't know if I'm allowed to show this actually. I probably shouldn't. But I'm just saying, if you search up the leaks, he has he has a crazy fit. It's low key fire. Where is it? Uh, I'm like pebble, jump for your sheep. It is speed, bro. Coming like heavy metal. Wow. You got business, bro. Head and stone like rope, bro. Brand new time. Watching an ad. Enough with these ads, bro. I've seen these ads 50 billion times. I will throw this computer across my room. I'll throw it out the window if you. Oh, I forgot my webcam. Y'all couldn't see. How to check. Ooh, man. 5. I don't know why the bounds isn't working. Why does it say there's something going on? He's like the size of 5, so as long as he's within. No, I don't know what just happened. Now we can just see through walls. What happened? What changed? Oh, the wall thing. Yeah, I forgot. Don't ever get over get amoba. Don't ever get on a map. In a fly. Oh, meu. Okay, so yeah, check. Et je pleurais de ton cœur. Okay, now I need to make a public floats. Start code. But I need to check if it's like how long until it gets into the. Okay, so now it works. I don't know what was going on earlier. Let's say 2. Or no. 0.5f? 0.5f? Now, how close should they be to it? 0.01f? 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 Because the only problem was that it was going like it was getting stuck at a certain point because you can never get the exact position. Et tout est vrai, je me perds dans tes yeux, je me noie dans la vague, sauvegarde à mon bout, je ne suis que ton âme, divagant, je m'appelle, il faut et nous faire mieux. Et ton âme, souffle, lance-nous. Is there no comma right there? Wait, so what was wrong? There was literally nothing wrong with Unity. Fix your thing. So check is false. Let's say 0.3, 0.33. Unity, or it might not even be Unity. It might just be Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, fix your program, please. I'm begging. And I'm starting to get lazy. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, why was it working earlier, but now it's not? Like he's still spazzing out. Okay, I know if he has line of sight. Honestly, I need to give them longer sight. Farther sight, I mean. Bug. Within the light size position. Why is the light... So, player's position dot point 0.3. It's within 0.3. Bounds not working. I don't know why. Like I changed the number to 4, and then the 5, and it started working, and then I changed it back to like a smaller number. Like, is it just the size of the bounds? How big does it have to be? Why does bounds not work? Wait, I don't even know if it's like on the thing at the bottom. If the bounds that contains. Any windows, let me slap. Stay up for the Draco. No, I round with the sign. Smile. Intercut time, 21. 5 game. Skin whack. Station on my facts. Back it up. Back it up. 2 to 3 gonna make it. Back it up. 21. And then gotta change my outfit. Ain't black enough. Oh shoot. Did I just... No. Did I just say that? Thank goodness I have no viewers. So it'll be okay. It'll be okay. But I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. I just want to let you know that I was just singing a song. I'm sorry, bruh. Dangerous. I thought. Okay. If yeah, I don't know if I said it or not. So. Don't sick. Dirty land. Dirty shit. Bad bitches getting hit. Put it on my lip. Throw a brick. Put shit. Fall off. Turn into a snitch. Turn into a bitch. You were cool. Holla Robert's act. Pick. I don't know. Do it. Bad Robert for a sash. Do that. Real gangster put a stick on his ass. Do that. Got this. Witches never switch on a man. I gotta be careful when I'm singing this song because, like, I don't know when he's gonna. Because I just sing it off of, like, memory. So, like, okay, 2. Now if I do 1, 1, 1, is it gonna spaz out again? Wait a minute. I just realized what the issue was. The only thing that was wrong was because, like, there's actually nothing wrong when the thing actually reaches you. Just like, I forgot. West side with a whole lot of guap. Sound no stop. Whole lot of drop. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, he's just mumbling in this song. Woo, woo, yeah. What does somebody say? Yeah, yeah. They say. What about Bart? Wait. Okay. This one semicolon is breaking everything. I don't know why. It keeps saying there's an error when there's literally nothing wrong. Y'all can hear that? Okay. Just testing. Ooh, okay. I don't understand how professional game developers. But it shouldn't be doing that when I then it does have line of sight. This should be else if. So if this is true, then this shouldn't be happening. The else if these else if shouldn't be working. Hold up. Let me do debug.log 1. Debug.log 2. Because only one of them should be called at a certain time. 3. So if this doesn't work, swear Unity, I will blow you to heaven. I will blow you to kingdom come. I will like obliterate you. I will go to where your servers are and I will obliterate them. Okay, 3. Switch in 2. Wait, why is it working now? 1. Why is it still 1? Why is it still 1? What? The only one of them is happening at a time, but what is I'm actually going insane right now. I'm just so tired you can't even tell. Like my knees hurt, my quads hurt. Why is he still in 1? He's still in phase 1. Oh, wait. This stuff only works if the player is in range. Right? But it should still be working if the player's out of range. Yeah, I might have to move this all out. Yeah. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. The hell am I? If check not. Ha 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 ha. This means you have line of sight. But that means this will naturally not be happening. Why? Uh-huh. Meow, 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 meow. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, Rex on the table. Yeah, Rex on the yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Turn about no money. I'm sipping on that wine. I got diamonds. I say yeah, yeah. Wait, no. This should be close. Oh God, I probably be. I swear to God, first name boy. Right, and I'm going final slow down. I won't make it far if you push me to the edge. Got my edge of far. Do a Mary Jane. I want to say a million things. Gotta think. Let's see. He should be 3 right now, right? 2. That now it should be true. Why is he still in 1? Why was he still at 1? Hey, Rick Sunday, yeah. Ooh, yeah. No buy no money. I took it. Yeah. Should be at 2 right now. Yeah, he's at. What? Why did he keep walking? Why is he at 1 right now? It's. This is. Yeah, I have no idea. I'm be honest. I have no idea what's the problem. I am going to blow up. And I'm going to take everybody in this county with me if Unity doesn't fix whatever's the issue. No, I'm just kidding. Asking Unity to fix my errors is very entitled of me, and I am being very childish right now. But do consider the fact that I'm a teenager, but it doesn't matter. I can solve this. So it's at 3. Now 1. Now it should be 2. Okay. I'm gonna do all this again. Sorry, I'm getting super tired right now. I'm gonna have to eat lunch, and I'm gonna have to take a nap in order to keep going. But check. So check is equal to false. Where is he going? So check is equal to false. Check should be true. What the? What? No. Fuck up. Fuck up. Yeah. Fuck up. Fuck up. Ah, me. They pick me. Okay, Lil Uzi Vert. I don't even know what he's saying. So why does it say he has line of sight? I think there were too many errors or like too many debug.logs. Hmm. Okay, so it says line of sight is false. Line of sight is false. Check is equal to true. That means he's in state 3. I'm gonna increase his sight just in case. Or no, to experiment. And now he's spazzing out. Uh, man, I'm actually going insane right now. I don't know what's going on, but I had to line of sight equals false. It should. The line of sight should be false right now. Line of sight is false. Now it's 3. Okay. But how do I get that thing where it spazzes out? I need to figure out what's going on. It's he gonna spaz out now? He is! He is gonna spaz out. Is he gonna do it again? Why is he spazzing out? Why is he spazzing out? Hold on, let me do debug mode. Let me find the code. Bug script. So it says it has line of sight, which it doesn't. Line of sight. Wait. Wait, no. If this is null, then if line of sight is not equal to null, or if I forgot to do the null. What is it? LOS equal to false. Boom. That should solve it, right? That way he doesn't stay in the wrong state. I've been drinking too much water. I might have to go pee again. I really should have learned Godot instead. Unity is so mid. Oh, it happens in situations where you just run out of their range rather than getting behind a wall. Gonna do it? The problem is that it gets stuck around corners. How am I gonna solve that though? Like, like this. Watch this. Like that. How am I gonna fix that? Um, on corners. I'm gonna go use the restroom. I gotta. Sorry. I'll be back again. Right back. Okay. So I think I've got the enemy AI working. I might have to change a bit of the code so that he can walk around corners. I don't know. I might search that up. Enemy pathfinding. So I'm sitting in a weird thing because, you know. I'm just being weird right now. I need this to keep me awake, or else my brain would not work. Searching up a video right now. I'm sorry. Actually, no, I think my code is fine. I just unplugged my phones on it. Ah! I think this is fine for now for my enemy. Um, I do need to make sprites, that's for sure. I'm debating whether I should buy a sprite or if I should use that Pixel Roma recommended to me by Byte. Um, I'll probably check it out first before I decide to do anything. But I don't think I'm at the stage where I need art yet. So honestly, I don't know what to do yet. But we're just, you know. Let me check my game design document. I haven't checked that in a while. Bomboclat. I should probably post on. I need to do more like other like social media, right? Because YouTube and um, not my brain. Uh, trying to change my thing on Twitter. Sorry. Dude, damn. Yeah, I do need to go to. It says username is unavailable. Why? Why does it say the user available? Uh, uh, and oh, I wanted to search up this one guy. I forgot his, but he thinking of game right now. Allocate. He on Twitter? Because I need reference for what I should do. Okay, so he does have Twitter. Does he does post. I do need a post. I need to start posting as well. Yeah, I'm gonna start recording. I don't know how to get it to the quality that he does. That so I have and I could do. Sorry, I'm not doing a lot on this screen right now, but I'm just checking document key mechanics. Do need to add light. Boom, 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 boom. Hear me? Go with the Roleo. Was our getaway car Jag portfolio? Yeah, heard we got some. Not the air, got a heat. Well, I actually have nothing to do, so guess I'm cutting stream off early. Thanks for being here, guys. I'm sorry there wasn't much talking and other stuff, but thanks for being here, guys. I hope you guys have a good day.